Chu Chi Pla. This dish incorporates fish simmered in curry sauce. Chu Chi refers to the simmering process used when cooking a dish in sauce, and pla means fish. You can use any type of fish for this dish. This video will show you how to make Chu Chi Pla. Popular fish to use in Thailand is platu, or in English, short mackerel. But you can also use mackerel, salmon, or trout, or any other fish. Red curry paste, coconut milk, seasoning powder, sugar, bouillon, salt, or fish sauce, and lime leaves. Buy them from an Asian grocery store. This is what seasoning powder looks like. You can purchase it from an Asian grocery store. Heat up the pan and add coconut milk. There's no need to use cooking oil. Next, add the red curry paste. And stir until the coconut milk comes to a boil. Ensuring the curry blends well with the coconut milk. The coconut milk and the paste should be brought to a complete boil. This will help reduce the fishy smell when we add the fish. Add bouillon, using bouillon eliminates the need for salt in this dish. Seasoning powder, next add sugar, and fish sauce. Add the fish. flip it to fry the other side. Reduce the heat and let it fry for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take out the fish, place it on a plate. Cut the live leaves into small pieces and use them to decorate the dish. There, Chu Chi Pla. You can use salmon, mackerel, or any other fish.